Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Sadr, and I'm working as a data analyst with RTA Roads and Transport Authority, Dubai. I got the chance to take the IELTS classes from Mr. Adil Raza. I had attempted the exam twice like before, and my score was on the lower side, like I could not get the required bands. And then somebody referred me to Mr. Adil Raza, and it was a good experience, honestly speaking. I found him to be a very professional and very supportive person. The main problem as I was facing was with the writing. So he trained me a lot in writing, from the vocabulary point of view, from paraphrasing, from sentence structuring, and it totally turned me around. My English improved a lot. English writing improved a lot, and I'm very confident I'm going to take the exam now, and I feel that with his coaching, the way he taught me, I would be able to score the required marks, the required bands. So I just want to say, I would highly recommend Mr. Adil Raza, owing to his professional competency and due diligence, and you must try him. And it would not be something that you will feel it as a bad decision. So if you're looking for IELTS coaching or English spoken, or you can say online learning, trying to improve your English, you must go ahead with him. And this is all from my side. Allah Hafiz, and thank you everyone.